Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to add your father as a family member on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to showcase your family connections. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your news feed. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access your profile page. This is where you can manage all your personal information. Once you're on your profile, navigate to the About section. You can find this option just below your cover photo. It's essential for managing details about yourself, including your family relationships. Now, locate the Family and Relationships tab within the About section. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Family Member. Click on this button to proceed. At this point, a new window will pop up prompting you to enter the name of the family member you want to add. Type in your father's name in the search bar. Facebook will help you find their account from its database. Once you've found your father's profile, select it from the list. Now, it's time to define the relationship. From the drop-down menu, choose Father. This step is crucial as it clarifies the connection for all your friends and followers. Finally, click on Save to confirm this addition. Congratulations! You have successfully added your father to your family members on Facebook. Now that he's listed as a family member, your friends and connections can see him on your profile, helping you strengthen those family ties online. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Facebook effectively. Thank you for watching.